Hi, I'm Cherish's AI assistant. Do you want to learn how to use AI in your business to increase efficiency and save money? Cherish is here to show you how you can use AI videos like this and more in your business. Or perhaps a similar interactive AI chatbot for your website. Or perhaps a marketing video like this? Stay tuned through the rest of the video. Cherish, over to you.
AI is changing the world. And guess what? Your business can benefit from it. Imagine cutting admin time in half, getting more clients on autopilot, and boosting profits without burning out. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use AI in your business to work smarter and not harder. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Cherish Angula, a care business consultant, a care business owner, a social worker. I help aspiring and already registered care businesses grow and scale their businesses. So I understand the challenges of running a care business. AI is no longer just for tech geeks, it's for you. So let's explore how AI can transform your care business today. Number one, let's start with one of the biggest time drains in any care business: admin, scheduling, and rotas. AI-powered scheduling software can optimize staff rotas, reducing conflicts and sending automated shift reminders. No more last-minute calls and double bookings. No more having to reach out to staff and tell them what their rotas are. This can all be done via the AI in your care management systems. Number two, payroll and invoicing. AI tools such as Xero or QuickBooks, for example, automate invoicing and payroll. This can make sure carers get paid accurately and on time, as well as help you as a business owner with things such as payroll, invoicing clients, invoicing local authorities, and help with all-round bookkeeping tasks that can be very time-consuming. A third one is AI chatbots for inquiries. Instead of answering the same questions daily, installing a chatbot on your website, for example, is a great way of being able to capture people that are coming on to visit your website, answer the questions, and lead generation. This is something that we have done, and I'll give you an example on how a AI chatbot works for a care business.
Hello and welcome to Cherish's Care Demo, where compassionate, reliable, and high-quality care is at the heart of our service. I'm here to guide you around. Whether you're looking for high-quality home care or supported living services, or you're interested in joining our amazing team, just click below and I'll point you in the right direction. Let's get started.
Looking for trusted home care for a loved one? At Cherish's Care Demo, we offer personalised support to help your family feel safe and cared for at home. Click below to learn more or speak to our team. We're here to help you every step of the way.
If this interests you, send me an email and we can support your business by setting up a personalized AI chatbot on your website that can help you with lead generating clients. Question: what admin tasks do you spend the most time on? Let me know in the comments. Perhaps there's an AI tool that I can recommend that can help save you time and possibly money. Number two, AI used for marketing and getting clients. What's a great care business without clients? AI can help you attract more customers effortlessly. And this is for those of us who want those private pay clients in particular. Number one, SEO optimized website and content tools. There are AI tools that can help you ensure that the content you post, whether it's blog posts, whether it's your Google update posts, whether it's actual content on your website, there are AI tools that can help to ensure that you create SEO optimized content. This ensures that you generate a high ranking website, blogs, and even social media caption that can attract new clients. There are a number of tools such as ChatGPT that can support you with this, as well as Rank Math, automated social media posting. Sites such as Hootsuite or Buffer, for example, can help you schedule your social media content across multiple platforms, saving you from the daily social media struggles. Like most people, posting on social media can be an afterthought, especially if that's not your main form of business. Oftentimes people think, how can I post consistently? How can I post daily or weekly, whatever the schedule is that you want? Well, using AI tools such as the ones I mentioned can help you schedule your posts in advance. And that way you can have it run on autopilot so that you do not have to be bogged down with posting daily. And this can even save you money from hiring someone who will manage your social media platforms for you. Number 3, AI-powered ads. Tools such as AdZoomer and Okoya help create and test ad campaigns that convert. This means that your ads will be more effective and therefore attract the clients or help you with lead generation. AI-driven marketing. Platforms like MailChimp use AI to personalize emails, help with generating newsletters that increase client engagement, keeping you top of mind for potential clients. These also have auto scheduling functions whereby you can create these emails, create these newsletters that can go out at designated times. That way you do not have to actively do them on a daily basis or when they're actually required, which frees up your time for other things and can potentially save you the cost of hiring someone to do these tasks. Marketing. AI can be used to generate amazing videos and photos that are hyper realistic that can help you in your marketing to create greater engagement.
Here is an example of a marketing video that I created using AI. If this is something you'll be interested in for your business, please get in touch.
For compassionate and reliable home care services within London, look no further than Caring Care.
Do you or a loved one need support due to health issues or frailty? We offer support with personal care, domestic help, medication management, and live-in care to ensure safety and comfort at home.
Our carers are reliable, compassionate, and competent, ready to relieve your worries. We are dedicated to providing the best home care services, ensuring your loved ones receive the care they deserve. Contact us today to book a free assessment.
If you're finding this helpful so far, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share with someone else that may find this video useful. Number 3, AI for improving client and staff experience. AI isn't just about automation. It can also improve the quality of care and staff satisfaction. There are many aids at home that people can use to track and predict a patient's needs, reducing risks and improving care outcomes. Things such as AI tools that are used in monitoring blood sugar levels, fall sensors, wonder guards, things of that nature that can really help you as a provider provide a better experience for your clients. Speech to text documentation. In a lot of care management systems, there are speech to text documentation. This allows carers to document visits hands-free, saving them time on reports. So they can do their care notes on the move. They can do them a lot quicker and easier than having to type them or write them out by hand. AI for recruitment. Platforms such as Indeed's AI filtering can help you shortlist the best care staff based on your requirements, therefore speeding up your hiring process. Number 4, AI for boosting profits and reducing costs. Your care business needs to be profitable. AI can help to cut costs and increase revenue in clever ways. Number 1, AI-powered pricing models. AI can analyze market trends and suggest the best pricing strategy for your services. AI for reducing wastage. Predictive AI can help you manage resources efficiently, like optimizing travel routes for carers to save on fuel costs and time and making them more efficient. AI for upscaling and retention. AI-driven CRMs like HubSpot can identify clients likely to need additional services, helping you to upsell and retain clients longer. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you work smarter, grow your care business faster. By automating admin tasks, improving marketing, enhancing care quality, and boosting profits, AI can give you the time and freedom to focus on what truly matters, which is providing outstanding care. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would love to hear your comments below. Please let me know, what things do you feel that you could use AI to really help your business? What things are really time consuming for you? And let's see how we can find AI tools that can support you and free up your time for more important tasks.